What's up, guys? If you have broken the arm relating to your toilet, if this is completely broken off or for some reason you need to replace it, it's not that difficult to do. You just may want to either bring the one with you to the store or take pictures of it. That way you know exactly what you're dealing with, because some of them have obviously little shapes and curves to them. Some of them are flexible and bendable in new form. But a little thing that some people do not realize, there's a nut on the back side, where the handle is right here. This nut right here is reverse threaded in most situations. So that means lefty tighty, righty loosey. So that means if you're turning it that way, you would be righty loosening it. Loosening. You'd be loosening the nut if you turn it in normal style. Same thing if you were turning it to the left, you would be tightening it. So it's opposite of common nuts and bolts in America. So that's just something to take note of. If you're trying to get it off of there and you're going, why is this not coming off? That's why. It's because the threads are reversed. It's basically because, when you push it down, if it were normal threaded style, it would probably loosen over time. It might not, but that's probably the reasoning of why they design it that way. And anyway, that's that. If you've got household stuff, you're looking for fixes and things, look through our channel. We also have stuff for cars and dirt bikes and ATVs, scooters, all kinds of motorcycle related stuff. So check out the channel. How's it going? And car related, dirt bike related, working on the stuff around the house, so just check out our channel. You'll see playlist links that pop up at the end. And don't forget, if our video helped you out in any way, look for the thanks button that's underneath the video screen and shoot a donation. Same with any monetized YouTube channel. We appreciate that y'all say thank you and how we saved your life and whatnot, but honestly, it takes time and effort to do decent videos. So feel free to send a donation, and we will definitely appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.